of Fernando Posso, and I'm going to show you how to make a really simple and useful electromagnet from easy to find materials. So let's start. The materials we will need for this are some copper winding wire, some insulation tape, a paper cutter, a long iron object. In this case, I will use a screwdriver, a 1.5 volt battery, and some iron objects, such as paper clips. The first thing that we will have to do is to twist the copper wire around the screwdriver. We will have to twist around it about 100 times. We have to adjust the two ends of the wire, so at the end it looks like this. Then you take your paper cutter and start scraping both ends of the copper wire. This will make the wire conductive by removing the insulation on it. The more you scrap, the better it will be at conducting electricity, so scrap it as better as you can. Now, you will have to attach one end of the wire to the positive terminal of the battery, and the other end of the wire to the negative terminal of the battery. Don't worry about which end of the wire you attach to the positive terminal or which one you attach to the negative terminal. Your magnet will work just as well as either way. What will change is your magnet polarity. One end of your magnet will be in the North Pole while the other will be in the South Pole. Reversing the way the battery is connected will reverse the poles of your battery electromagnet. After doing this, the electromagnet is done. Place it near some iron object and you will see how they start attaching to the electromagnet. The powerful your battery is, the stronger your magnet will be. Also, make sure both ends of the wire are well attached to the poles of the battery. An electromagnet works because an electric current produces a magnetic field. This magnetic field produced by an electric current forms circles around the electric current. Now I will tell you some hints to make your electromagnet stronger. The more turns of wire your magnet has, the better. Keep in mind that the further the wire is from the core, the less effective it will be. The more current that passes through the wire, the better. But be careful. Too much current can be dangerous. As electricity passes through the wire, some of the electrical energy is converted to heat. The more current that flows through a wire, the more heat is generated. For this, I will recommend you to put insulation tape at the ends of the battery. That will prevent you from heat. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more interesting stuff, watch other channel videos. See you next time.